Good morning, fellas. We are live. Happy Monday morning to everyone. Let me get everything set up. Good morning, Captain Price, EMAC, Peter Schapp, good morning. How are we all doing? Let's get it. Hey, good morning, Esther. Yes, the clock. Thank you for reminding me. We got the clock now. I think we're ready to roll. Good morning, Esther. Good morning, K-Trader. Uncle Carico. Nicholas. Perfect Play. Indie Scalper. Good morning. Good morning, fellas. You already got 15 for the day. Let's 1,500. Let's go. Time to just hang out and chill. That's always, if I'm up a lot of money really early, that's always when I look to either buy an eval or something, just so I'd have something to prevent me from making any trades. Speed Racer 5, good morning. How was everyone's weekend? Hope you all had a great weekend. Mine was short and sweet, just like always. Good weekend, but man, it didn't last very long. But you know what? It's always good for Monday morning to come around and we get to trade again. Okay, what do we think? I mean, the market, the overnight session, we had a pretty big move lower. Market opened here somewhere around the 560s. We touched the 600s. Literally touched the 600s in the pre-market Sunday night, and then basically ever since then we've sold off pretty significantly. The low of the overnight session is 456. Right now we're trading at 475, so kind of in that, I don't know, looks like we might be looking to make a move lower here. If very interested to see how we open up. And again, the daily chart like this here definitely looks like we're gonna pull, maybe pull back to the 18,100s in the next couple days. I don't know. This candle's got a pretty big wick, so definitely looking like we might be in for a pullback or two. But you never know with this market. You never know. Hey, you went to the Broadway musical? That's awesome, Esther. That sounds like fun. Too many children? Oh, no. Yeah, that can ruin it, especially if you're sitting, depending where you're sitting. How I track days traded for Apex after the payout. Yeah, they don't reset the 10 days. It's actually kind of difficult. I never, well, I never had this issue before. I kind of just take a snapshot of my payout and days traded when I request that payout, the original one, and then you can kind of go off of that. But I wish they would reset it. They should. Like once you get a payout, they should reset your days traded to 0. I think that would be a pretty good idea, but hey, what do I know? Hey, Trader J, good morning. Clarity, good morning. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader. Good morning. How we doing? Uncle Carico, you switched to Ninja Trader after using Tradeovate? Nice, nice. It's definitely a little bit of a change, but I think Ninja Trader just has more to offer than Tradeovate, especially when it comes to ATMs and trade copying and that type of stuff. Yeah, it is Speed Racer. I agree. It is. I've thought about just keeping an Excel sheet and just every day keeping track of it like that. Honestly, I haven't really figured out a good way to do it. So my account manager tab that I use, which is from Affordable Indicators, he does really well. Basically, he does really well with adding different things that you need. So I reached out to him to see if there isn't a way to add a days traded to that account management tab or account management page, so that what I asked him for was, hey, I'd like to have an account, like a column for days traded that it automatically tracks every day that you trade it. It keeps track automatically, but that I have the ability to reset the days traded whenever I want to. So if I do request a payout and once I get approved, then I can reset that days traded. So, but then it still keeps track of it automatically. So he's looking into it. He's trying to get he said that's a really good idea. He's looking into adding that, but as of now, it's not added yet. That would be a really, really good feature if he can add that. Hey, nice Black Coffee. You got your funded take profit account today. Let's go. You started trading 1 month ago. Do you think I can make top 10 payouts in a couple months? Prince of Nothing. I mean, anything is possible, but I would suggest don't try to focus on don't go too crazy. Take it slow. Don't try to get to a top 10 in the first couple months. That might be the wrong thing to focus on. Just try to focus on trading well, and what happens. Hey, Trip Candy. Thank you. Use my code for 20 evals. Let's go. You may contact Apex about this issue. Yeah, I've thought about reaching out to Apex and just asking them about, hey, kind of giving them a suggestion that you guys should make it so it resets the days traded every time you take a payout per that account. Is it possible to buy 300K 20 accounts? Yes, it's definitely possible. You can buy as many evals as you choose. Obviously, spend responsibly. That would get pretty expensive. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. R5 Studios, good morning. Happy Monday to you. Happy Monday, everybody. We have a little bit of an update on today's stream. First of all, the contractors are back. They're working. They said they will probably have some questions, so I might be in and out a little bit more today than usual. But then I do have a meeting with my business partner at noon. So very likely that meeting's going to go a couple hours the way it sounds. So I probably will only be streaming until around 11:30 today. Hey, Bob Beans, good morning. John King, good morning. Trading days not resetting to zero when you take a payout as a pain. Yeah, it is kind of indie scalper. I agree. I never really thought about it before, but now it's like, man, that is annoying. It's just very hard to know where you're going. And I'm hoping that affordable indicators will come up with a solution, but ideally Apex would come up with the solution. That would be the best solution for everyone. Hey, Real Steel Hammer, good morning. Neo, good morning. If I'm going to be on the Payout Excel list, yes, I will be on there for March. I will definitely be on there. I won't be top 10, but I'll be on the list. I usually don't. The March payout list will probably be here maybe in a week or so. Hey, Wendy's, use my code for 10 evals plus. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Andy sent me an email. Yeah, Peter Schapp, I've seen that you can create a column in Rhythmic to manually track it. I just be nice if it was something that they did automatically. Yes, Neo. I can't wait to be on that list. I was showing earlier, I'm on the payout page. I'll be on as Lester from Ohio. So if you see a Lester from Ohio, that would be me. My real name actually is not Nutty. I know most of you are shocked. Hang on, I gotta check something. Oh, don't jump. I ain't jumping. All right, we are 1 minute away from the open, folks. Very curious to see. Kind of curious to see what we do here. All right, we're right at the lows. Right at the lows. Is this just gonna rip right through the lows here? We shall find out. Oh, there we went. Right through the lows. Oh boy. Are we just gonna do a nosedive? Nosedive today. Hey, Design, good morning. John, good morning. According to Apex Discord Profit Room, someone is taking their 900K payout. Yeah, Amelia, I saw that. I kind of curious because I haven't actually seen it on the payout page, so that's kind of interesting, but we'll see. We'll see it. I mean, it wouldn't be the first time. They've had a couple that had over 1 million in payouts, so hey, nice black coffee. Nice. Okay, now we're getting a move. Let's see. Is this thing just gonna rip lower today, maybe? We shall wait and see. I will definitely not be trading the open here. We're gonna wait till things settle down. Okay, getting a bounce here. A little bit. Hey, Jim Brown, good morning. Rad Poker, good morning. See if the Bulls can get something going here. Doesn't look that promising, but all right, let's see if we get a move above the 490s here. That would be important if the Bulls want to get something going. Got to get above the 490s, above the 500s. We got a ways to go to do a gap fill. Gap fill is close to like 570 area. And there we go. All right, are we going to just roll over again? I mean, this open isn't really that volatile. Only a 38-point move so far. Okay, that's a knock on the window, which means they need me. Hang on. We're back. We have a code. I told them that my office is right here. So I told them if they need something, they just knock on the window. So if you hear a knock on the window, that means I'm needed. Right now, they're kind of... Today's supposed to be the last day that they're here. They're supposed to finish everything up. So they might have a couple more questions than usual today, but we'll see. Oh, but man, this market is really... See if it wants to roll over here. Very stagnant price action this morning. Not a whole lot happening. All right, maybe now we roll over. He's live now, chat. Oh, you got... Don't think the Bears are done? Yeah, I don't know. It's just kind of a dull open so far. Not really much. We don't have... Oh, we do have news at 10. Okay, well, that's interesting. So maybe that's what the market is waiting for. The news at 10 could be. Hey, you were looking at TradeZella subscription that shows max 10 accounts. May I ask how you manage the 20 PAs with the tool? So Nicholas Conley. So basically, yeah, wow, look, okay, looks like we were going to make new lows here. But the way I do it is I just combine all of my accounts at one export. So all of my accounts, when I do my trade performance tab, I just have all of my accounts and then I export everything as one export, and then I import everything into TradeZella as one import. So I'm actually only using one account on TradeZella for all of my funded accounts, if that makes sense. Okay, new lows. We have new lows. Down to the 440s. Let's see if this thing keeps going. 430s. We are looking like might be a red. This market wants to keep going lower. All right, through the 430s. through the 430s, down to the 427s, 425s. She ripping. All right, down to the see the 420s hold. Still haven't, this is still within the first 15 minutes right now. No problem, Nicholas. No problem. I gotta check on something. Sorry, I was muted. Getting a bounce off the 420s. Could have taken a stab there at it on a long, but would have been pretty risky. But wow, here we go. making a move. Yeah, this is now just going straight back up. This is starting to look and feel a little bit trappy here for the shorts. Looks like some shorts might get trapped here. If that's the case, look out. Yeah, I know, PK, thanks. Hey, Lorella Forecasting, what's up? What makes the trade risky? Because we were selling off pretty significantly. Trying to catch a falling knife, trying to catch the bottom, so to speak. That's always risky. What is a good strategy once requesting an immediate payout? Risk the full 500 on one trade or split that into 2 or 3 trade to grow a buffer all through. Thoughts welcome. On a Mac, I don't know. I'm kind of conflicted between the two, where I feel like it depends a little bit, like some variables, but scalping, trying to build a little bit more of a buffer is probably the best way to do it, I think. But man, look at this move. We're just immediate reversal. Ugh. See, from the 420s, we're at the 460s now. So 40-point move off the 420s right now. Favorite V-shaped reversal. I know. Actually not, but... Let's see what happens here. I don't know what to expect, to be honest. I have no idea. Feel like we could sell back down now. We could just keep ripping higher. Honestly, wouldn't be shocked either way. Looks like we're going higher. This is crazy. I guess we got to remember one thing, right? Market only goes up. How long until I release the I beat Patrick Whelan to payouts with Apex video? Oh dear, that would definitely be one for the books. I will probably hold off on that for a little bit yet. Hey, you got in at 425, Jason? Nicely done. Nicely done. That's awesome. Wow, what a V-shaped reversal here. Not the first time it's happened. Probably won't be the last. Well, but see, the thing is, Rad Poker, he was 100K in profit, but that was only on like his 4th day traded. So that was the biggest issue. Like, yeah, he was in profit a really nice amount, but he still needed to trade like 5 more days and be consistent. That's where having and, shooting for these huge profitable days, you got to be able to be consistent with that in order to get to a payout. And that's the struggle. Oh, wow. Here we go. Above the 15-minute opening range here. 480s. Making a move. See if we rip above the 490s here. That's got to be the next. We got to get above the 490s and then the 500s. Hey, Neo, good morning. If you have purchased Apex accounts outside the one-day pass, will they be one-day passable in the offer window? Yes, NEMAC. So the one-day pass is a feature for the specific time of promotion. Doesn't matter when you bought your evals, as long as you pass them when a one-day pass promotion is going, that's what matters. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback here. Again, we have news at 10, but it's like medium impact news. So I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know if it's going to make a big impact on. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. That bounce saved your day? Nice. I need some OJ. I need some orange juice. I mean, I would take orange juice. I like orange juice. 3 more days to get through without going on tilt. Hey, you can do it, Matty Matt. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, Reb. Yeah. Just to confirm, if buying an account in the one-day pass window, once the offer expires, it will no longer be one-day pass. That is correct, NEMAC. That is correct. But this is looking very bullish here all of a sudden. Looking very bullish. If we can rip above the 490s, we got ourselves a situation. Bulls in control. Excuse me. Organo oil, mix it in water or juice, will clear up the throat. What? I'm not sure what that is, but hey, I'm about to be trying anything. I'm so annoyed with my cough. So tempted here. Now pulling back. Yeah, it's kind of. Man, this is looking really bullish. Struggling to get above the 490s right now. Still feel like the bulls are in control. Just a little bit of a battle going on here, but I think we're going to rip right through the 490s. At some point, maybe we pull back to like the 470s and then we go. We do have the news at 10, which is in what, 2 minutes? Matty Matt. I did. I do remember that, Matty Matt. I do remember that. Was that the news? News is, I guess, news, yeah, pretty much didn't do anything. Or I don't think it did. Maybe it glitched the market for a couple points. That's about it. But we could see this go get above the 490s now. $10,000 tick trade. What? And we pull back again. Ugh. Man, Yeah, the 485 level here, 490s, we just can't seem to get above it. So uh, yeah. Doing the old switcheroo. Don't really trust anything right here. Yeah. This market just isn't, I mean, it's not exactly thrilled with what I'm seeing. Can't get above the 90s. This thing could just roll over again. Not in the mood to get trapped. Not in the mood to get trapped long. Hmm. It's crazy when you catch a big move perfectly after you leave the trade, the market instantly becomes super growth. Yeah. Heavy chop with a chance of V bottom. I like that, K Trader. I like that. That pretty much sums it up. Pretty much sums it up. My eye test is telling me I should just go long here. I have red flags, but might be okay just to dive in. See if we get above the 90s here. Maybe we can get going. Gotta get a rip. Like, we gotta get some volume, momentum, and like, this thing can't just keep chopping back and forth here for the bulls. Like this. Like this. This has got to get going. It's pathetic. Yeah, this price action makes me sleepy. Yeah, exactly. Oh, well, we just wait, I guess. We chillin'. Yeah, look at this. Now we're just gonna rip lower. What is the dog barking at? They're really going to work. They are really putting in the work out there. You love to see it. Okay, market, if you do not get through the 90s on this move, I am not going to do anything, but I'm going to be just disappointed. Just do something. Okay, maybe this is it. Everybody hold on. Whoa! What? There she blows. There she blew. There she blew, folks. The market heard me. Unfortunately, I didn't benefit anything from it. Unfortunately. Wah, wah. Stand over them and tell them they're slacking. I know I'm not doing that. All right, now this is the kind of market also where I can totally see this is typical NQ. It'll make a rip higher like this. Now watch it just pull back and take out like pull back to like the 460s or something. Just watch. It would be so typical NQ. Oh no, Matty Matt. Man, I tell you what, we've had a very cold March. Very cold March. I have not been that impressed, if I'm just going to be honest. It's been a cold. Today is actually going to be a nice day. All right, well, we are right at the 500s. We breached 500 by a half a point, so here we go. Let's see if we get through the 500s. Looks like this thing will actually just keep going higher. There she goes. Very interesting indeed. The market now has me convinced that we are bullish. Now the question comes, where do we enter? Not at the highs. I will let's enter anywhere but the highs of the day, okay? Anywhere but there. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear our dog, but it's very annoying. I don't know what his problem is. But I don't know what he like. You know your dog, you can hear the way that they bark. There's something wrong. I need gosh, I need to go check on the dog. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, we're back. Yeah, everything's fine. It was the wife and kid came home and they're playing outside, and the dog just cannot handle it that he's not allowed to go out. Okay, we went all the way up to the 523s. Wow. This was one of those times where a breakout trade would have worked. Breakout trade would have worked really nicely, but of course, you know how that goes. It'll work this time, but maybe not, probably not next time. See, maybe we pull back quite a bit here. I want to see if we make new highs here. The other thing to remember is we have a gap fill at around 565. So maybe we want to fill that gap. I don't know. Something to keep in mind. Hang on. I think the wife is here. Our 3-year-old is using the play set for the first time. He's having a ball. He is having a great time. Okay, here we are about to meet new highs. How many traded on Apex for no withdrawal restriction? Is it based on payouts or 90 days traded? Sorry, say again, Trader J? Hey, Hazel, how we doing? How many days traded on Apex for no withdrawal? Oh, it's 3 months, Trader J. 3 months. So, but the three months of withdrawals, to be clear. So you have to make a withdrawal and then 1 month, and then it doesn't have to be 2 withdrawals per month, but 1 withdrawal per month for 3 months. And then on that 4th month, you can withdraw how, you know, there is no, you can withdraw $1 million if you can. Did we make new highs? I think we did by 1 tick. So that does not count. Man, we're just not seeing much of any pullback. I mean, this pullback here was in hindsight, I was a little bit scared that we couldn't get through the 90s here. That's why still could have taken this trade for a scalp, but I was a little bit hesitant this morning. Should have pulled the trigger right here on this setup. Should have pulled it. But you know how it goes. Now, are we going to make new highs? Still haven't made new highs. Gotta think we're going to rip through here. There we go. Whoa! Man! Ay, 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 ay. We are seeing some craziness here. We saw, so this breakout trade on the 87s, we ripped through it like crazy, and now we just rip through this like crazy. What is going on here? Might be time to just, I guess, jump on board? Question mark? Of course, as soon as I do that, we're going to rip lower by 50 points. Okay, now we're pulling back. Hang on, I got to take a phone call. They didn't pick up. And we're now pulling back a little bit more. Maybe we pull back to like the 520. I could see that. Hello? What kind of lag is this? That was laggy. A little concerning. Can't get the push I need. Ah, this is... No, that's not what... That's the exact opposite of what I wanted to see. Dang it. Hmm. Gonna be a... It's gonna be a rough one to sit through. I mean, I still like... We're on the right side of it, I feel. We're gonna have to sit through some drawdown the way it's looking. Not exactly thrilled with this trade. Okay, I gotta talk to the dog. All right, we're back. We back. And all of a sudden, the bulls are just completely have disappeared. Unbelievable. Never fails. I thought we'd have another nice move up for the gap fill. But guess maybe not. Maybe not. We might have to... I'm going to keep it. Gotta believe. We believe. The bulls, where you at? Where you at, bulls? Get in here. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Good morning. Wave and smile. That's right. It is what it is. We are gonna have to stick. If we're wrong, we're wrong. Just gotta take it like a man. All right, that was a good close for that candle, but we gotta keep going. Can't just do this now. Oh, this is not it. Well, seriously contemplating just killing this. Really need to get above this 520. Gotta get above the 520s for this to have any kind of chance for the bulls. But we gotta get above it and hold it. Not do this back and forth. Oh, we probably just need to be patient. See if we can't. My fear is this thing is going to come back up to about 520s and then roll it off. Where it's kind of tempting now just to close the trade right here for minimal loss. But if we get above the 520s and hold it, then I feel okay with it. Feeling a little better about it. There we go. Now rip it. Come on. Just fill me. Thank you. All right, that was painful. That was painful enough. That was painful enough. Let's not do that again. I vote we don't do that again. That's just me. It was an ass trade. It was a Wendy's trade. Any giveaway today? We are not doing any giveaways this week, Mindful Trading. Nope. Or at least I don't plan to. Usually I do giveaways like once. Maybe I'll do another giveaway when we... By the way, I received an email on Saturday. I received an email on Saturday that my funds, the 16K payout, was on its way. Let's go. Actually, let's check the bank account, shall we? I kind of doubt it's in there now already, but hey, we might as well check. Oh, hang on. Nope. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. All right. Well, I'm very thankful that we were able to salvage this trade. I was getting really close to calling it right here. That would have upset me. Patience paid. Patience paid. Hey, look at this. Now we're pulling back. I knew it was going to do that. Typical NQ. But you know what? I don't care. How long did it take you to get your first payout, Ace Undercover? It's kind of embarrassing, but over a year. I traded over a year with Apex before I got my first payout. Feels bad, but that's the truth. Actually, you know what? I don't even feel bad about it. It's all right. All part of the journey. Hey, thank you, least estimator. Oh, you mean when I requested Ace Undercover? I see. So I should actually go back and count the actual business days because I'm not 100% sure, but I think I requested on the 1st and I received it in my bank account on the 18th, which I think is 10, basically 10 business days is what it was. I see what you mean, though. All right, market, what's it going to be? We going higher, or is this just going to be one of them days again where we roll over? I need to make sure our business meeting is still on. Kind of tempting to jump. Ugh. What type of, where in the U.S. I'm located? I'm located in Ohio, the great state of Ohio. You think there would be a discount after Wednesday? I have no idea. I have no idea. I know the 71% sale, one day pass has always been a regular occurrence. I don't know. I do not know. Sorry, what part of Ohio? Northeast. Why is it a great state? Because I live in it. After 3 years of getting hammered by the market and scam left and right, I finally managed to get payouts every 2 weeks with Apex and make stupid money with cryptos. Let's go, Trader JX. That's awesome. That's awesome, Trader JX. Keep it up. Your brother goes to college in Ohio? Okay, cool. You'll be sad if they do 90%. I'm definitely not expecting a 90% sale. That would be pretty... Okay, hang on. I gotta take this. You know my pet peeve is? My pet peeve is when these scam callers use local numbers to call you. Oh man. Ooh, that gets my attention. Just wasted 30 seconds of my life I'll never get back. Not cool. Oh. I mean, these long wicks just yell, please buy. If it's a trap, I'm going to be so upset. Please fill me. Okay? If you could please fill me, that'd be great. You would think getting 13 ticks isn't that difficult, but man, it sure seems like it is sometimes. Like right now. No shot. That caller was you. Just wanted to say hi. Yikes. 9 ticks again. Couldn't get to 13. Good try, though, market. Good try. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh my gosh. Let's please not do another ass trade, okay? Could we please not do that? Not cool, market. Not cool. Not cool at all. This might be a good day to call it early. This is... Here we go again. Here we go again. Not trading well this morning. Ass trade incoming. Ass trade has been officially activated. It's not where you go. I'm ready to bail on anything here, but it's just disappointing. We were what, a couple ticks away from our take profit, and then it just does this. You hate to see it. All right. That was not good. We had some momentum there to see if we can't rip it. Now, uh-oh, I'm out. I don't like. Dang it. We bailed. I don't like. I do not like that. Might be wrong. This rips higher now. I'm definitely going to call it a day. If I got the payout, no, I have not. I got the email though. I got an email that said that the payout is on the way, but I haven't actually gotten the payout. Which usually, if you get that email, it's like 3 business days later you get the payout. Usually. So we shall wait and see. Yeah, I definitely bailed on that one way too early. Yeah. That might be a good day to call it an early day. I didn't like what I was seeing here at all. Just feels like one of them where we're going to just continue to roll over. And I'd rather not participate in that price action. It's not my cup of tea. Can you recommend another prop firm, Apex, not available in your country? Oh, wow. Least estimator. If I had to recommend another prop, I would probably recommend Take Profit Trader, I think. But or that's kind of who I'm familiar with. They have some really good benefits as far as when it comes to payouts, especially. I don't know though what countries they're available in. But yeah, this is starting to look like I should have held on. Feels bad. Kind of hope we just roll over here. Make me feel better. Does your 30K include the 16 you're getting at the end of the month, Matty Matt? Yes. The 30K is 14K first payout period, 16K this period, or this last request period. So okay, here we go. Roll over, baby. Do it. Make me feel better. Do you only trade future prop firms? Yes, Trader JX. I do not. I don't feel comfortable trading Forex or promoting those Forex prop firms. Way too many issues for my liking. Just doesn't seem, I don't know. I've just seen too many things with the Forex industry where I just don't trust any of them, but that's just me. But yeah, Apex has a really, really good history and reputation of paying out. They have paid out multiple times that they've paid out traders over $1 million, which is really, really impressive. Supposedly this month there's a guy getting a $900,000 payout. I will believe that when I see it. Like when I actually see the payout. I have not actually seen it, so we shall wait. But supposedly that is happening. Rumor had it. How does Apex make money? I mean, they have a couple different ways that they make money, but primarily they make money off of fees. They make money off of the eval fees that you buy. They make money off of when you pay the activation fee for your funded account. And they can also make money. I mean, they have the ability to copy the profitable traders. Now, do they actually do that? I don't know. But I would think if they see someone that is really consistent and making lots of money, I know that is one way they can hedge, where they can copy the profitable traders. They have that ability. And then also they have the ability to, if they see someone that's profitable, they can ask them to go to a live account. So once they go to an actual live account, they would, benefit from a percentage of those payout from those profits as well. Now, I know of quite a bit of traders that have been asked to go to a live account. I've not heard of anyone that actually has done it. So it's kind of a difficult situation because most traders that it just doesn't make enough sense to go live with any prop firm, to be honest. Because you can just withdraw that. The only one that actually makes sense is Top Step because of how terrible their payout rules are. So you can only withdraw 50% of your profits anyway. So therefore, if you don't go live, you're basically sacrificing 50% of your profits, which is kind of crazy. Did we have issue? I'm just now getting a notification that 12 minutes ago stream was disconnected. Uh-oh. Am I still live? Can you guys hear me? Already trade. Yeah, they have very little. Well, they know what they're doing. Now, they do have some risk. They have some risk. But obviously, with trading, there's always risk. And there's a way higher failure rate with trading than there is with successful trading. So, okay, I'm alive. Okay, good. Good. Thanks, guys. I don't know. I got it. Yeah, it's weird. I had a message that I disconnected. But we're live. We're here. Everyone's fine. Everyone is okay. Oh, market. I hate you. This is... Watch us go make new highs here. It's unfortunate. Made the calculation from eval account to live account. On sim, there are not points that have risk, but it's okay for me as long as... Okay. The market is closed on Friday, I believe. Am I wrong on that, guys? I think the market is closed this Friday for Good Friday. I think. CME is closed, but I don't know if future trading is closed. Okay, except for bonds. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's closed. So we'll be chilling. You know what would be great Friday? Let me look. What is the weather on Friday? Could we please have a warm day on Friday so I could maybe go golfing or something? It has been ever since I bought my golf clubs, it's been cold. Like cold, nonstop. It's actually BS. Not cool. Friday, high of 56, low of 38. I could golf in that. And partly sunny. You know what? I'm just going to pencil that in right now. We're going golfing on Friday. Tomorrow's going to rain. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's still not supposed to be that warm the next 2 weeks. Like high of the 55s. Can I ask how long I've been trading before I reach my first payout? Sure can. Already trading. It took me a long time. I traded for over a year with Apex before I got this. This month is my first month of getting a payout, and we have a $30,000 payout this month, but it is my first month. You can go through my channel all the way back to April of last year. All the streams are live traded, recaps, whatever. You can see my journey. There's a lot of ugliness in there, but we're slowly digging our way out. We just barely have our head above water right now, but we're here. We're here and we're alive. That's what matters. You have a take profit account with my Apex account as well. Nice, Ace undercover. Trade with Tradeovate because Apex I use Ninja Trader, but I don't like Tradeovate. Yes, you can connect your Tradeovate. You can connect your Tradeovate account to Ninja Trader and have them both connected, unless you do have to have. Actually, no, you don't. So yeah, you just connect your Tradeovate take profit account to Ninja Trader, and you should be good to go. You can do that if you go to connections, configure. You want to select the Ninja Trader connection right here and put in your Tradeovate credentials here, and that should work. Apex has a really in-depth video on how to do that, so just if you find that, search for a video on how to connect Tradeovate to Ninja Trader, and you should have what you need. I'm sad. I am very sad that I panicked out on that trade lower. I mean, I'm okay. I mean, I understand why I did it. As soon as it breached this low, I got out, but that's, I hate when that happens. It does appear like we're going to make new highs here. Oh, this is where it's frustrating. How many top step accounts one can have funded? I think you can have 3. Hey, thank you, Oliver. I appreciate that. Unreal. Look at this move. Oh, so sad. Ay. All right. See if we... I don't know. Is this thing going to just pull back now before it makes new highs? I just can't buy up here. No way. No shot. I do have to go here very soon. I do have to go here very soon. A lunch meeting with my business partner. Looks like we might have another one tomorrow. We got some meeting stuff we need to... Got some things to discuss. Fun times. It's going to crash Black Monday. All right, everybody go short. Ponzi said it's going to crash. Let's go. But in all reality, I mean, I probably should call it a day. This is just terrible. I hate when I trade like this. I actually hate it. But it's all right. We got to take the L's with the wins. Design. I'm really contemplating on this pullback taking one more trade. We all know how that one more trade usually goes, but I'm going to take it and then I'm going to regret it later. If this thing actually does go against me, we're definitely shutting everything down for the day. For sure. I am looking for a little bit bigger move here. I just want to test the highs. Oh man. You know what? I want to take it. I want to take my profit. Hang on, I gotta take this And we're back. Okay. Well, since that trade worked, now I kind of want to take one more. You know how that's how it works. That's how they get you. Keep doing the one more trade until it doesn't work, but then it's too late. Hey, Sarith, I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for using my code, supporting the channel, just hanging out, even whatever. I do appreciate it. And hit the like button, you know, that also is great if you don't mind. Just smash that like button. Started trading on Thursday. Nice, Sharuz. Nice. Let us know how it goes. Keep us updated. If I've got a syndrome, as your accounts are always down. Really, Royal Horsey? You want to get banned today? Huh? You want to add an LOL to that comment? Royal Horsey, are you... I'm going to guess you made an alt account and you're from the horse gang. That would sound like it. Or you're an alt account from Dave Trades. I imagine Dave Trades is here typing a lot, chatting in my chat. He doesn't even know he's blocked. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, as the kids say. This is your first payout ever. I mean, in March was my first payout with Apex. I've had payouts with other prop firms. If I'm going to attempt copy trading your funded accounts again, Oliver, maybe at some point, maybe. If I'm green in your total time trading, Jamie, it's a good question. I am. So with Apex, I'm literally break even. I think I'm green. I'd have to update my spreadsheet again and everything, but I updated my spreadsheet about 2 weeks ago. And with this $30,000 payout, I was basically break even. Oh, wow. Here we go. Rolling over. She rolling. But if I include all my expenses from some of the other prop firms where I've traded, like Take Profit, if I include, I mean, I've done some trading with Take Profit. I've done a little bit with Top Step. I've done, what else? Who else did UProfit. UProfit, I did some when they had that 150K static account, which was kind of expensive. So if I go and include all of my expenses with like including those accounts, then yeah, I'm probably negative. I know I'm in the red still if I include all of those as well. But hopefully with some time we can be total net positive. One more payout, one more $15,000 payout, and I'll definitely be in the green overall. Okay, I think I have to leave here in about 10 minutes. I have to leave here in about 10 minutes for my meeting. So, and the meeting's probably going to last 2 hours. and I'm probably not gonna start up stream again. So it's kind of a short stream today. And then we have a short week. If you're just joining, Friday, the markets are not open. So it's going to be a short week and a long weekend of no trading. I hate these. I hate when the markets are closed on Friday or Monday. Those are the worst because it seems like forever until you can trade again. All right, market. Is it going to just make a move now? It's tempting to take one more trade. But Mom, I just want one more trade. Just one more. I'm not going to do it. 194 watching. Only 80 likes. Man, I'm so disappointed. It's okay, though. If you don't want to hit the like button, you know what? I've heard it takes a lot of effort, so I don't blame you guys. All right. Oh, market. I think we're going to end it here. Call it a red day. I got a little bit of green on my other accounts. Nothing crazy. Definitely not a great day, but it's not a terrible day either. But I think I'm going to end stream, end my trading for the day. It's going to be, we'll come back tomorrow. We could also, I don't know, maybe this week is just going to be more of a chop fest because of the short week. We do have news. Is it CPI on, is that tomorrow? CPI is on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. That should be interesting. But, all right, everybody. I'm going to call it here. I got to get ready for the meeting. And I will be back tomorrow. I hope you all have a green day. If you're green already, consider calling it a day, you know. Don't give it back. But thanks, everyone, for tuning in for the short stream. And we shall be back tomorrow. And take care. Have a great rest of your day, guys. And God bless.